you call yourself a futurist and a strategy advisor. What's your mission as a futurist, and tell us a little bit about your role as a futurist?
My role as a futurist, that's what I believe, and other people may interpret that role differently. My role is to help leaders, individuals, organizations to think more effectively about the future so that they can act better today. The reality is we can't know what the future will bring, but we have many indications, we have many clues, we have insights which tell us not only some trends which are developing, some understanding of human nature and the way the world works, to get some insight into not necessarily what will happen, but what might happen, and what are the things we can do today which are more likely to move us towards a future that we want. And so that's my role, is to help, as I suppose, amongst other things, to help people think more about the future than they would otherwise, in a constructive, useful way, so that we can act to create a future which is better than it might have been otherwise.